Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 channel for your online tricks and tutorials, all for free. We don't charge anything for the tricks that we share online. So without wasting much time, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and enable the notification so that you cannot miss all the video updates I post. Another thing, every video I post here is not financial advice. So everything I post here, I put a disclaimer that it's your own. You make your own choice whether to use the sites or survey website that I review, so that you can be able to make informed decision and decide which sites or survey accounts are best for you depending with your needs. So without said, let's go into the video. So I promised to review another site called Surveylama. They say that you can easily earn $300 per month doing surveys on their site. So this is their webpage. So I want us to register together, and then we see how much they pay per survey. So without wasting time, they don't have a lot of things on their front page. So you have just to register. You activate your account through email, then you fill a survey profile. So I think you're going just to do that. First of all, we give a name. So let me just use this name here. This is my pseudo account. This is not my main account. So let's say Daniel. So let's say Daniel. Let me use this email to register this account for demonstration. So just click register. So we want to prove whether it's possible to earn $300 per month on this site called Surveylama. So basically a review. Yeah. So let me set up my password. And click continue. This is how you register. So you can say my nickname is Aizo. It's okay, people know that me on Telegram. So right now here, you can put a date depending with your survey profile. So let's use let's for example use date 1. Let's say October 1991. It will be how many years old? You can just use any. So you can use any profile depending with your need, but for example mine is male. This is a demo account, so I'm going to use any random age. I'm going to use 1991, meaning that the age will be now 31 in my surveys. And always make sure you note the age that you put in your account. For example, this is 1st October 1991. This date is very important when you're filling surveys. Always use the same date for consistency. If you just try to change the date, you'll be blacklisted for cheating. So remember our date here, 01/10/1991. So let's go ahead. You have to agree to their conditions like that. Just the normal you register on sites. Click save. So remember, you have to confirm your email address to receive the 20 LP. They pay in form of points, which you can redeem in cash. So let's go to our email here. They have already called this the email, so I have to confirm my email. Just go to your email and click. This is the normal confirmation we do on registering on survey sites. It's a basically very simple site. It doesn't have a lot of stuff. So you see, I've earned my 20 LP. This is around $0.2. So we're going to review and see how much. So in this review, you're going to see how to make a survey profile, and that's before you even start. You are presented with surveys to do on this site. After you confirm your email, the next thing is profiling. So, and remember here, complete surveys to earn Rama points, or they are called Rama points LP, that you can convert to an Amazon gift card voucher, or you do a PayPal transfer. So complete 3 surveys per day to earn 20 Rama points extra reward. So every day if you complete 3 surveys on this site, you get an extra 20 Rama points. So you continue. They have an advert, so you close it. So now we are going to do profiling questions now. So questions about your profile. Survey platforms need personal information to offer you surveys tailored to your profile. The care given to your answers is essential to increase the quality of your profile with the different platforms. So we click continue. So remember here, what is your annual household income before tax? So you can pick, let's pick 100 to 100k. Always note down your profile details. Oh, when they say combined, let's say that one. Click continue. Whatever you put here, always remember to use it during your filling out of surveys, and you are going to avoid a lot of disqualification. So area of Sipanek, no, click no. Everything you select during your profiling, whether in Surveylama or any survey site, always remember it. So which of the following describes your origin? You can choose any. So let's choose this one because it's a demonstration. So click that one. So what best describes your current household? They like people who own homes, so we click on home. And this site also has a lot of adverts, so you see them popping around like this one. So click on home, proceed. Then what is your current employment status? Always you can click any. Let us click full-time work. You see, and with that simple profile fill up, the Surveylama presentation is over and you get 25 Rama points. So now let's go to there. After filling now that first profiling survey, they open up surveys on their site. You see now. So now, good morning, Dania. Welcome to your space. You see, under here you can see that 1 Rama point is equivalent to 0.01 USD. So it takes around 200 Rama points to earn $20. So 100 Rama points is equivalent to $1. It's equivalent to around $1. Yeah. So 50 points is equivalent to 0.5 USD. So this is a very good rewarding option or rewarding level. And the minimum withdrawal is around I think is 2000 Rama points, which is around $20. But you are going to check further on that to confirm. So here they run advertisements, so you can just click them to support them. That's how they get extra income to support their site. So you can see from their daily earnings in the daily reward ratio on their site, it's very, very possible to earn like $300 per month, and per day you can easily make $30 plus. You can see the level of payment in their survey. For example, there's a sync survey here, which is around 169 Rama points. That's equivalent to around $1.69. There's another one for 9, and it only goes for 10 minutes. Then there's another one for $169 Rama points for 9 minutes. Then there's another for 194, 112 for 22. And then what I experienced on my other account, which I cannot show here, the more you complete surveys, the more they add you more points. Yeah. So the more surveys you complete, the more you're going to be getting high-paying surveys with high-paying surveys like this one for 22 Rama points for that 1 minute. Another thing about high paying surveys, they have a high, they have around they take a lot of time, between 20 to 30 minutes. So they also offer missions. For example, if you click here mission, you can complete a particular mission and you get your reward. So let's see. So if you click this, if you register on this site here, they are going to reward you 1 point. But I don't advocate people to do missions, but if you have time, you can do mission. You can missions. Hey, I'm spelling the word missions wrongly. Then they have another mission here, and the site on which the mission belongs to is indicated here. Proposed by. So with this, I think it's I can justify that from their claim on their front page, it's very possible to make $300 per month from Surveylama. Another thing I noticed about Surveylama, they require static IPs, or static IPs, or you can use a VPS. A VPS works well for Surveylama, because if you use a rotating IP which rotates after every few minutes, you're going to be blacklisted from various panels like Sint and others, and you're going to get very low, and your Rama points here are going to reduce drastically. So make sure you use high quality IPs on Surveylama. If you have to use rotational IPs, use residential rotating IPs that take like 5 to 12 hours before they rotate. That can help you to make a lot of money here. And make sure you use an IP which rotates in a particular state. Like if you have a state in New York, make sure your IP rotates after many hours, like between 5 to 12 hours within New York and within the same ISP. With that, you can avoid being blacklisted or being banned on various survey panels. They offer Sint and many others. So as you complete more surveys, more survey panels will be opened for you. So this one is like this causes I just created the account right now with you guys. So it's a very new account. I believe I've given you the various precautions to take while working on Surveylama. I can confidently say that it's very possible. So take paid online surveys and earn up to $300 per month. So this one is very possible. If you use the kind of IPs I showed you guys, you can be sure that you can be able to earn up to $300 per survey. And the more surveys you do, the more they increase the amount of points you earn per survey. And you can be able even to get a survey paying $10. So guys, this is a very short video. Just wanted to update guys about Surveylama and to tell you the do's and the don'ts. So all the best, and see you on my next video.